Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel That Middle Class Girl, and I'm Sunetra. So today's video is going to be about the unboxing of a beautiful planner by Space and Beauty. So if you are someone who loves to plan your day, organize your stuff and be like very punctual and particular about things, then this is the planner which is made for you. I personally love to write down stuff and organize my things. Now these planners are so versatile that they can be used from a college going girl to a homemaker. Whatever your age is, you can use planners. So I've been using planners since the past 2 years. I've used the planners from Archetype Studio and also from the Doodle Creations. Now planners come in two forms. One is the dated planners and the other one is undated planners. So you can choose the planners as per your requirement. If you feel that you do not have much stuff to write on an everyday basis and you do not want to waste the pages, then you can go for undated planners. But if you are someone who's a college going student or something like that and you have to plan your everyday schedule, then you can go for dated planners. So I have used both of them. Now before buying any kind of planner, you must go through all the pages and see for yourself that it serves the purpose or not. Like the planners from the Archetype Studio are like so expensive. I purchased them, but there was something missing in it. I was not able to fill the planner properly, or it was not meeting my requirements. And then I found out this planner from Space and Beauty. First of all, let me show you the packaging. See how pretty is this. This planner comes in this kind of a box. Now you can use this box for storing stuff or for gifting purposes also. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing of the planner 2021.
The planner comes in this kind of a packaging, and here we go. It is such a beautiful color. It is in pastel pink color and also the shine in between. So let's see what's inside this. This is how the box looks. So the first thing which we get is a pop socket, which is such a cute print in black and pink. Now this is the main planner and it says Let's Gold 2021 Limited Edition. Now this is a hardbound planner and it is easy to carry with us. It has this kind of shine thing going on, and on the side it's written as 2021 planner, and back side has all these stars which shine. The feel of the book is so good and it can be easily carried in your purse, and you can write down notes whenever you want to. The planner also comes along with this beautiful sticker book which is called the Ultimate Sticker Book, and here also it's mentioned as limited edition. Now this sticker book has 1000 stickers. Can you believe it? And this is how it looks. Maintaining a planner becomes so much fun when you have these kind of stickers along. I cannot wait my year to start now. So let's see what's in this packet. Here we have these beautiful bookmarks which are in such cute print. This is also in pastel color. There are 2 bookmarks available. You also have this postcard which says, "You mean a latte to me." From address to address is given. If you want to write a postcard and send it to someone, then you can use this. We also have these Ikigai sheets. So this is how they look. So Ikigai is basically a Japanese concept. So this time Space and Beauty has also included these sheets in their planner. So this is how they look. So here we can find the 10 rules of Ikigai and the findings of your Ikigai. Then you can plan your actions accordingly in this columns provided below. And also you can start journaling in this space. So yes, this is all which is there in this box. Let's get straight into the flip through of this beautiful planner. So the first page over here says this fab year belongs to, and here you write your name, and here you can paste your picture which says stunning face here, and it says let's go 2021. In the next page there is a little message from Space and Beauty, and on the right side you can write your personal information and emergency contacts. The next page has the years 2021 and 2022 calendar spread, and here we have the birthdays from January to December. You can write the important birthdays, and on the right side, which is called year in pixels, this is a tracker of your moods for every day for a year. You can write the names over this side and then you can just color them. So at a glance you can see how your mood was in the entire year. So here we can write your goals, your top 10 goals, which can be in any category like family, friends, finances, career and everything. And on the right side there is a tracker for these goals. So the rating is given like from 1 to 10. You can color them up by writing all the 10 goals around the circle, and at a glance you can see how far you have come. So the next page says as dream board. You can write all your dreams over here, and you can also make it fun by adding some pictures over here. So the next page says Bookstagram. Now this is a very thoughtful layout which is done by Space and Beauty. Here you can write down all the names of the books that you have read throughout the year. So this will motivate you to read more, and yes, you can have a track of all of them at once. So in the next page we have the sacred rituals, which is morning routine and evening routine, and here you can write make yourself a priority. So whatever the routines you have you can write down over here, and also you can list out the things which you want to prioritize about yourself and then doodle them in the arrows which are given over here. So yes, this is also a very beautiful layout. Now let's see what's over here. Okay, now this page says introducing Hugo, I think this is how you pronounce it. So this says my kind of party and ways to treat myself, and all those positive things you can write down over here. Now this page is all about your mental health, so you can write down all the positive affirmations, and there are some beautiful quotes written over here. And on the right side you have this worry tree. This is kind of a flowchart thing where you can track or understand what you can do next. So yes, this is also a beautiful addition. And on the next page it says pen it down. You can doodle over here, or also you can make some notes. The next page says wall of movies. So on the bricks which are provided here you can write the name of the movies which you are going to watch or which you have watched throughout the year. The next page is also a fun layout which helps you keep a track of all the shows that you have been binge watching. You can write the name of the shows over here and also rate them. Like there are 5 stars given, you can rate the shows. You can either watch these on Netflix, Amazon, whatever it may be, you can just write them down over here. So the next page is also like a kind of important thing which says clean that. You have these trackers like what you have to clean on a daily basis, weekly basis, bi-weekly basis, monthly, biannually and annually. So here the months and the dates are given clearly, and on the circles provided you can write what you want to clean so that your room remains neat and tidy. Now the next page says pack me up. So if you are going to travel to somewhere, so what are the clothes, accessories and toiletries and other miscellaneous stuff that you want to carry, documents, carry on things, all of these you can write it over here. The next page says your bucket list. So what are the places that you want to visit, the things you want to do, your souvenirs and all the other totally random stuff you can write over here. So let's get to the next page. So this says down the memory lane. So here you can paste all the pictures of yourself or your friends and you can write down memories in this. So let's see what's there in the next page. Okay, so this is also a beautiful addition which says social stats. If you are someone who is into social media like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest or Twitter, so you can track the number of followers or the number of subscribers that you have throughout the year. You can write them down, or you can also write the goals or any other extra notes that you want. And on the right side you can either doodle or write down some notes. Now this is also a very thoughtful page which has been introduced, which says subscriptions. So here you can track all the subscriptions, be it Amazon, Netflix or any other app. You can write down all the subscriptions over here, be it monthly, quarterly or whatever, and write the total amount which is spent. So let's go to the next page which says wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. It's such a beautiful painting, and here comes the main spread which is for the month of January. Here we have weeks, all the 5 weeks given and all the days mentioned. So you can write something in the boxes, and also from here starts the main things. So first thing is lists, to-do lists, events, affirmations and any other total random ideas you can write over here. And on the right side you have the goal grid. So all these are for the month of January. In the next page we have habit tracker. If you have developed any new habits, you can write them down. You can either color them or you can put a tick mark whenever you do that. And on the right side we have habits to kill, habits to grow, and how consistent you are. You can rate yourself, and here you have the period days and also the sick days. You can just track them down and write it over here. So this is the normal spread. So all the dates are mentioned over here. If you want to write anything, you can write notes and a gratitude note at the end of each week. So this same thing will continue for all the weeks of the month. So at the end of every month we have this section which says review, reflect and respond. So here, as per the questions which are written over here, you can write what you feel about it so that you can have a track of things. The next page has all the list of the things like shopping things. Here you can write down all the list of the groceries, the wants and the needs. Right side we have online orders, so you can write them over there. You can also write the gifts you want to give and many more things. So the online orders particularly is my favorite thing right now. So in the next page we have this beautiful thing which is an expense tracker. So you can write down all your expenses over here. What is your budget, what is the product and under what category it comes. You can write the opening and closing balances, and at the end of each month you can see how much you have spent. The next page has all the clean eating habits, the general rules, healthy fats, fruits, dairy, whatever you want to include in your diet, you can write it over here. Now this page is all about a fitness tracker. All the activities which you are doing, you can write it over here and track them. And on the bottom you have these two calendars which says 4 liters of water and 8 hours of sleep. You can put a tick mark on the days when you do not have reached these targets of drinking water and sleep. And on the right side you have this weekly thing, like how many kgs you're putting on or how many kgs you're losing. You can have a track of all of that. Over here you have the diet tracker and your weight goals and what are the rewards that you're going to give yourself, and no sugar and no junk days. You can all track them over here. So the next layout is also relating to fitness. It is kind of a meal planner. So what you're going to have for breakfast, lunch and dinner. You can just write it out for the entire month like so. So let's see what's there in the next page. Okay, so this says my obsessions. So here you can track what are the things that you're loving, eating and thinking, reading and all that stuff. So you can write the obsessions for that particular month. So on the next page it says embrace the peace of your own journey. So from here begins the next month, which is February. So this is the layout, and the same thing continues for all the months till December.
So that's it for today's video. So if you want to have that one planner for the year 2021, I would suggest you to go for this planner. The link of the website will be given in the description box below. If you're not following me on my Instagram and Facebook pages, please do follow me over there. I'll leave all the links below. So yes, that's it for today's video. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Tada.